Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we have our first box from Cut Loose.
Yay! Welcome, lovelies. Here we are, a happy moment when Cut Loose arrives, and it's here, and we are ready to unbox.
Yes, it is our first for the spring-summer season.
I love it because you forget what you bought, and then it's like, oh, it's really like Christmas.
It's like Christmas all year long. We
Yeah.
always say that. Well, you have on some beautiful Cut Loose that we still have.
Beautiful.
We trickle in Cut Loose through the year, ladies, because they're such a great company to work with. They can cut and sew within 4 to 5 weeks for us.
Yeah.
And so we have sort of split it up this year so that we have a new collection of something landing almost every
Few months, right?
Every month.
Yeah.
Yeah, really.
And also, I find a lot of these pieces, like for instance, this t-shirt, you can wear all year round.
Yeah.
This is a linen cotton blend, right?
Yeah, the boat neck.
The boat neck, which we've carried. A lot of you have it. And we pick different colors, and it's like endless.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Love the feel of this. Love it.
Yeah. We have it in 4 colors right now, I believe. Some nice colors, transitional colors that can go through the year.
And then this
the
lovely
jacket. I know.
that a lot of you have.
We restocked it in the black.
We restocked it,
and then we brought it in the red, which
Yes.
did really well.
This color red, actually.
Yes, yeah. They call it cardinal red.
That's,
Speaking of cardinals, I have so many blue jays, I must say.
Get
I have cardinals,
out!
but I have like so many blue jays.
Oh, don't have one blue jay.
Yeah, there's always 2 on the feeder.
How is your water heater?
It's perfect.
No.
Yeah.
You love it.
Yeah, I love it.
And do they drink from it and everything?
Yeah, they go and splash
I'm
in there.
gonna go to the bird store and get one.
Yeah. At first, so my mom gifted me a heater for my bird bath, and Ryan thinks this is like
He thinks
voodoo
it's
crazy.
Yeah.
First of all, when we moved in, he couldn't believe how like involved I am with the birds and
It's foreign to him.
the sanctuary I've made for them. And I think the money that I spend on feeding them.
I don't care. Your dad would say the birds are eating better than we do, because when I would go grocery shopping, I would always come back with stuff for the birds.
Yeah.
And it's you were raised with it,
Yeah.
right?
No, I love it. It's so
Yeah.
nice. And where we are right now, I'll have to take a nice video for you. They're on it all the time.
Yeah.
You know, my big one, my
Yeah.
big feeder. Every Mother's Day, I treat myself, and it's
You
same
get a
for
nice-
you.
I
You get
do.
a nice. The last one I bought, it was $150.
Yeah, well, you buy good quality.
But it's Canadian made and
proof.
squirrel proof, and it's got a lifetime warranty. So anyways, they empty it in a day and a half. And then I have another house and then another little feeder.
You've got
And they
beautiful, but you're in
empty it all.
the sanctuary, bird sanctuary with forest and
Yeah, no,
mountain
it
and
is
beautiful. But we have not one blue jay.
Nice. Really? No, there's definitely a pair that's always there, and then sometimes I count more than 2. But they're bullies, eh? They're bullies.
Yeah, they're bullies.
They come and bully out all the little birds.
Do you have woodpeckers? You
I
have
don't know.
tons.
I gotta look closer. I don't know. But I've had a few
next time
birds
you need a
run into the
binocular.
windows and die.
Yeah, we've had a few that
2
hit our windows.
have died.
Yeah.
They slam right in the window. Some get up and fly away right away, but yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Anyway.
ladies, we're losing track here. We need to do a Lousje talks, couch talk,
A bird talk.
a bird talk,
Yeah, I
and
love
we'll
to.
get deep into it.
Yeah.
And you have your Elambika.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I have them, right? And I wear them a lot.
Yeah.
I find them a great basic pant. And if you don't want to wear jeans all the time, this is great, right?
Great. Yeah.
And yeah, I'm wearing my jacket and my
Siska.
trusted Siska and a beautiful bling bling from
Riglio.
Riglio, and I'm all decked out. And what about you? Oh, I love
Yeah,
this one.
I know. Look, I've paired it. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh,
It's a
wow.
set. I know.
Jeez.
Yeah.
I didn't even know
I
that.
know. I'm surprised it's still here.
Yeah.
How gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
And then our Lousje Bean boxy.
Yeah, so lovely.
Boxy,
Lovely,
boxy.
that soft pink.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is Seymour,
Oh,
ladies.
yeah.
We just have a few left, but it's a one size shirt or small medium I'm wearing. And then I don't know if we're sold out of the large, extra large, but it's nice just to
It's
wear
beautiful.
under.
I like it
and it's
peeking
black.
out.
Yeah. So, okay,
Okay.
let's get to the box because we just keep chitty-chatting here.
We're getting
So this
sidetracked.
is our first shipment that we just arrived in the boutique. Everything is online now. And, ooh, pair of
Denim.
pants. Denim. denim.
Can't have enough denim.
So this is a flax denim, ladies. It's cotton and flax. Beautiful pants.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Look how cute the
Look
little
at,
slits.
I know.
Really cute.
Love this.
Great,
nice weight.
Great summer basic.
Yeah.
Fall, it's like actually this
You
weight
could wear it
is,
all year.
Yeah, fantastic.
Fantastic. So they had a little denim series, so we had to buy it because me and Lousje love denim.
We
When you
do.
find a good denim,
Yeah.
look at this shirt.
Look at the back.
I
Just to
know.
show it. Oh, adorable.
Great
Adorable.
detail. Side slits, ladies. It's
Yeah,
such a great
rounded.
silhouette. Beautiful cuffs that you can fold.
Gorgeous.
Just a great, easy
Nice
piece.
color.
You could wear that
Beautiful
at the
buttons.
cottage. You could wear it any, like, you know, and it's just
Anywhere.
And we love our denim shirts. Me and Lousje have a few.
Yeah.
Just for even bumming around the house.
Oh
eh?
yeah.
It's
On our days off,
yeah.
it's a great look.
It's a great look. And this I could not resist. This I love. I can't wait to put it on. It looks like it's gonna be
that's
such
one
a
that
cute dress.
we had before. Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that tier.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
They
great.
got the tiers here and pockets, ladies.
Yeah.
And a great V-neck, which I know a lot of you lovelies
Yeah.
love.
V-neck is great.
So, and cut loose comes extra small to extra large, and they're typically good with their sizing.
Yeah.
I think though the pants are fitting a bit small.
Definitely was size up in the pants. I tried on an extra small. It was too small for me in the waist, not in the hips, but in the waist. So I went to a size small. I like to be comfortable, right?
Yeah.
So, but the shirt and the dress, true to size.
Yeah, true to size. Yeah.
Extra small.
So me and Lousje would be an extra small in those.
Yeah.
And we did this one great little swing top, ladies.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
It's adorable.
It's got a little A-line at the bottom.
Yeah, and the
Go
color.
great with the denim.
Yes.
A beautiful piece.
60% cotton, and the rest is rayon.
10% rayon.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No.
68.
68.
We need to go. 86. Oh my God. We need to go get our eyes tested.
Oh my! I
Isn't
do
that
have
bad?
to again. I have
Again?
to go. Yeah. I
Yeah,
have to
no,
go.
I definitely have to. We should
Okay.
vlog that. We should do it.
We should go to our friend. Yeah,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
should.
yeah.
vlog it.
All right, ladies. Ideas are spinning, hey?
Oh my goodness, so many things
Okay.
to do. How can you be bored in life?
I
You
know. It's too fun. I can't even wait. You guys are going to love this. Polka dots.
Oh,
Look at how
mesh
beautiful
polka
this
dots.
is.
Oh my goodness.
With
Gorgeous.
the little surged edge that gives
Yeah.
it a little ruffle.
Yeah. All the outside seams.
All the outside
serged.
seam surge. Super cool. Great neckline.
Super cool.
High neckline. Lucia's going to love that.
Love.
And we,
Oh, I love it. Tessa.
Look
Oh,
this is so great.
cute.
She's going to say
my
adorable. It
goodness.
is adorable.
It is adorable.
I would live in
Oh.
this. How great is that, lady?
Does
Just
does
a nice
this
little
come in the
cover.
white too?
It does.
It does. Wow.
It does. So
Oh,
you could
this
wear
is
that closed up
adorable.
with a pair of jeans. You could
Yeah.
wear it open over a
Yeah.
sleeveless dress.
Sleeveless top. Yeah.
Over the dress here even.
Yeah. Oh
My
yeah.
mic is turning. Look at white.
Oh, beautiful.
And this, ladies, this fabric is a
Okay.
blend. It's very soft. 73 rayon.
And then 27.
17 polyester.
Oh my God, this is
And
terrible.
10% linen.
Oh,
But it feels amazing.
Yeah.
And it's got the flax of linen in there with the cream white color. What do we call it? It's white. but
White.
It's kind of a creamy
Yeah.
color. It's got a flax of linen in there, which is super cool.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful
Awesome.
summer piece.
So this is our first shipment of the beautiful Cut Loose Spring Collection of 2025.
you have to get used to saying it.
No, I'm excited. It's going to be a
Yeah.
great year.
No, me too.
2025. It just rolls off the tongue.
Exact for me too.
Yeah.
A lot of people have trouble with it, not me. 25. Okay.
You're going to be 75.
Yeah.
What do you do for your birthday?
I don't know. I haven't thought about
Oh,
it yet.
my
It's going to be a
ladies.
big year.
It is a big year.
Yeah.
Something has to
Birthday
be planned.
and wedding.
Oh yeah, you're getting married. I keep forgetting. It's so cute. I love it. All right, let's go. We need another hour to sit and talk with you
Honest to
ladies
God.
here. We
you
should
have
just
to come and
roll
have
it-
a coffee with
roll
me
it
on
into
Sundays.
the couch talk.
And join me on the couch.
Because I do
talk.
have to tell you about the bird, the heater. Because
Yeah, we
there's
have to
things
talk
that
birds.
happen. So
Okay.
and all right. We hope you have an amazing day. Tomorrow we are going to style up these beauties, the two of us.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Yeah. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And as always,
Keep on smiling.